Hi all, hoping your accounts exam today is completed. I am very careful with my words. I am not going to ask or I will not bother whether it is easy, difficult or medium. It doesn't matter how you did it because it is in the past and now we have to move on for CA Inter law paper guys, and you have only 1.5 days left for that. In this video, I will give you strategy as to how to use best this 1.5 days that we have for law. Every minute now matters. By this time you are watching this video, it could be 5:30 p.m., 6, 7, 8, 9 p.m. when you got home. That is the only time frame when you will watch this. So quickly, before I go into the strategy, just to spend 30 seconds, in the description of this video you have link for CA Inter Law Marathon. Who will watch the marathon? Any topic you need help, go and watch the marathon. Timestamp is there. We're already around 25,000 views for that. It's a very useful marathon. Then look at the expected questions for law, but don't spend much time on this guys. Finish the revision day of exam morning. Just glance through this list. Okay, I have covered all these topics. Go get this PDF from the link in description. Then how to present law answers. If you feel you're not good in presenting, there is one 60 minutes overall playlist reviewing other students. If you don't have all that time, just go read all India rank 1 law paper presentation, 5 minutes to 8 minutes video, that alone you see. And a new addition in our resources for last 1.5 days is MCQ. Now we have released law MCQ. If you want to practice some 20 to 30 case study questions we have created by ourselves, you can click on the link and practice those MCQs in these 1.5 days also. That also you will do it once you finish studying. Sir, now how do I plan this 1.5 days? This video is going to talk about that and spend time on this. Now you will have multiple strategies. Before I get into this, I will say, if you have your own plan, please go ahead and follow that. If you are following any other plan, follow that. There are so many plans and all the plans are very right guys. All the plans are very correct. I am not going to say everyone should follow this only. I am just going to give you a structure. You can follow this or follow your own plan. This is mainly for students who need a little support in creating a plan so that they will not spend time. Quickly to get into this, I have broken down our time slots into 6 slots. Today, 12th September, after you reached home at 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. and you start studying, today one night slot is important. Then tomorrow, the main day of studying, 13th morning, afternoon, evening and night slot. Why I have not given time? For some people morning can be 6 a.m. For some people morning can be 7 a.m. For some morning can be only 9 a.m. after you finish the previous day night slot. So you put the time over there, morning, afternoon, evening and night. And then next day, 14th September, day of exam, again you have your slot, morning slot. Now I have given two options here. Which one to follow is your choice. You can also have an option 3, follow anything, but follow that, write it down. You write your own topics and you follow that. Basically what I have done is, some students after finishing exam will be very, what to say, very stressed out. They want to sleep early. They don't want to study much. For them, we are starting light with easy topics like dividend, charges, deposits, General Clause Act on the day of exam today, and then go to sleep. For those students who want to go all in today itself, I am in full energy, sir, then you do FEMA and meetings chapter today. Like that, I have categorized. For example, day 2, 13th morning, whoever you are going to be very fresh. So in this slot, you will do meetings, preliminary, incorporation, prospectus in this, those who are starting light. Others who are ready to go full pumped up, share capital debentures, interpretation of statutes and LLP. So if you look at the difference in starting heavy, within the next day morning itself, meetings is over, share capital is over, FEMA is over, LLP is over, all the big chapters are over for you. That means I would strongly recommend option 2. Unless you don't have the energy today, it's okay, you will catch up in option 1. You will slowly catch up. That's why in afternoon slot, for them, they have only dividend charges deposits, you have LLP accounts of companies. Then evening slot, they have only accounts and auditors because they have finished, they are going light now. Now you have to catch up. So for you, share capital and debentures, interpretation of statutes, and night slot you have FEMA because you couldn't do FEMA in the previous day night. Now coming to next day morning slot, foreign company I have always kept in the last, guys. Please keep foreign company in the last because once you finish everything only you can do foreign company. And then lastly, RTP, last two RTPs, if you have time, please revise them, very very important. I will just erase everything over here. You can just take a screenshot. Which one to follow, sir? Option 1 or option 2 is your choice. I've given you two options. You can even follow option 3. It's absolutely alright. Now coming to specifically for our own students who have studied law with me, for you guys, you will be able to finish studying by 13th night itself. I can guarantee you by 13th night itself you can finish studying. How, sir? If you have your Gen Z notes and rocket notes or summary notes with you, if you have these Gen Z rocket and summary notes, by 13th night you can finish, and 14th you can do a revision. And those who have attended class from me, apart from this, in our class workbook, behind every chapter we would have practiced a few questions to the extent possible. That time I would have told you, mark this as important, mark this as important. Quickly run through those questions, and also additionally please run through the last two RTPs which are very very important, and read from your rocket notes and summary notes for our own students. So this is the strategy for law exam, guys. This is just a broad strategy. You can of course make changes. All the best for exams and do well. Don't forget the resources. All that is available in the description. All the best again. Thank you.